In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to customize your own Shopify store. You go down here to online store and you're going to go down here for where they have the free themes and you can choose and check them out. And if you want to explore more themes, you just come here and click the visit theme store button and it will show you all the themes that Shopify offers, which is pretty cool. And you can filter them by features, catalog size, industry, if it's paid or if it's free. It's pretty cool. You should check it out. Let's go back and go to our theme that we already have. We're going to click on customize. First, I want to show you how to change your store name. So we're going to go back, go down here to settings, and you can change it through here. You just click on this pencil to edit, and I'm going to just put my Shopify store 1, save. We're going to go back, customize, and there you go, my Shopify store 1. And if you want to change the navigation, you go down here and click your navigation and you'll click main menu, and right here you can edit your navigation. You can even mess with the order of it if you want this right here, and you can delete whatever you don't want. And let's add a blog. You go down here, there's a blog. Let's go to news, add it, and save it. So it says menu updated. We're going to go back to our online store to customize it. And there we go, blog. And you can even customize it if you want. You want to add a section to the footer or to the template. Email sign up. There we go. Let's go back. Let's undo this and let's go back to the homepage. And you can do the same thing for each section. Let's say that you want to add, let's go all the ways back because sometimes it's finicky. So if you hover each section, you can see this little add button right here and add a section. So let's click on one of those and you can see how many things you can do with it. You have, and gives you a preview as well. And you can just click on any of them and it will just show up. Let's just put one of the multi-columns. And you just click on the things that you want to change. So you want to change the multi-column, come right here to the right. And you'll maybe want to put title or something. If you want to mess with this, column 1, column 2, column 3. You get the idea. And that's how pretty much how easy it is to customize your theme. And if you want to mess with the button, told you sometimes it gets finicky. Let's get exit. Let's leave the page. Customize it. Let's go down. Let's say we want to change this button, and this one is shop now. You can change it like that. You can always redo right here. Sometimes it comes in handy. And you can even preview this website when you're working on it. You can even preview it in mobile. There you go, how it's look in the mobile. And if you want to see it in the full screen, and there you go. This is pretty awesome. If you have no knowledge of coding or anything, this Shopify editor is very amazing. And once you get the hang of it, you can either manage it yourself, or you can hire the distantonedesigns.com and I can manage it for you if you have a little time. I also provide an email development service, which I'm going to be talking about later on. And thank you for joining me, and I hope you stick around to watch the next video. Thank you.